we have come to the understanding that we must understand our communion with God so we can understand our place in him, in his kingdom, and recognize what we've been gifted with, okay? We are spending way too much time asking for stuff that has already been given to his children. And so, as I usually say, I don't have a problem with the Father. I don't have a problem with the Son. I don't have a problem with the Holy Ghost. I do have a problem with me. And my part of this equation with God is what I'm saying, what I'm doing, what I'm believing, and is it lining up with what God is saying and doing and believing? Okay? If we're going to be in cooperation with one another, you must agree with God. There's still two ways about that, right? Okay? So let's set ourselves to be one with God, one with his word, one with his spirit, so that we may accomplish that for which Jesus came. Right? Jesus came. Did he come?
Yeah, he came.
He came.
Yeah.
He came.
He
accomplished
the work.
And he's coming back again. And he left his body a job to do. And until we recognize we are equipped to do it, we won't.